The New York Islanders and the Pittsburgh Penguins are tied 2-2. We're at the end of the second period, and it's time to find out if it's Mario or Mario who's joining Stan Fischler. Stanley?
Well, he told me that it's Mario, not Mario, and we won't get into why the broadcast is mispronounced. First of all, it's good to see you again. How is the back?
Well, it feels pretty good. I think it's about 90-95%, and sometimes after the games when I'm a little tired, I feel the pain, but I guess that's to be expected after 10-11 months of not playing the game.
What was the low point when you really were worried about the possibility of playing again?
Well, that was a tough period in my life. I had the surgery in July, and then everything was fine after that, and then the infection set in, and that was tough. I was in bed for about a month and couldn't walk, couldn't get out of bed, and that was a tough period in my life, and I had some doubts about playing the game again, but the doctors assured me that it was going to take 2 to 3 months before I would feel better, and I did, so I feel good about it now.
Are you in any way extra careful when you're playing in a game like this one because of what happened to you?
Yeah, I still think about it a little bit, especially when I put myself in a bad position. I know that there's some people behind me, and I still have to be careful out there. My back is not 100%, and it's always in my mind.
Mike Bossy had said that the aluminum stick has caused an increase in back injuries. Your feeling about that?
Well, they're tough to break, and that's certainly would be a part of it. But mine was not a result of a check or a slash or anything like that. It was just playing over the years and playing a lot, and you know, it wasn't related to a stick incident.
You may not know it, but the big story here today is that Pat LaFontaine asked to leave. Your reaction to it?
Well, I feel that Pat should be paid like he should. When you take a look around the league at the great players like Stevie Eisenman, Hall, Coffey, myself, and Gretzky, they all get paid very well by their teams, and I think Pat is in that category, and he should get paid accordingly.
We saw your intensity during the second period. You went off the bench and banged your stick. What were you upset about at that point?
No, I'm just a little mad at myself. I'm not playing like I should, and making some bad mental mistake, and making some bad plays. So hopefully I can regroup in the third and make some big plays for the team.
There used to be an old song, "How can I miss you if you don't go away?" You were away. We missed you. It's good to have you back. One of the class acts of all time. Jigs?
Yeah, we'll echo those sentiments, Stan, and nice to hear him admit that he's not playing a superstar, not playing the way he'd like to play. And there's your scoring parade in the second period after the goal by Lemieux took Pittsburgh into the second, leading 1-0.